Good morning, everybody. Today, what I cover for you is a very important topic from Indian taxation point of view, that is tax audit. Dictionary meaning of an audit would be to check, review, to inspect the books of account or inspect any ready dealings of any assessee. An assessee is a person who is liable to pay tax as per income tax. There are various types of audit which are applicable to assessees. That is, it may be a company audit, it may be a cost audit, it may be a regulatory audit. Now, income tax also requires that a taxpayer should audit his accounts of business profession from income tax point of view. Now, that's why it introduced tax audit with Section 44AB, wherein the provisions relating to class of taxpayer were required to get the accounts audited from a chartered accountant. Now, the audit under Section 44AB aims to ascertain the compliance of various provisions of income tax law and also fulfillment of requirement of income tax law. Now that the audit which was conducted by chartered accountants of accounts of taxpayers in pursuance of this requirement of Section 44AB was called as tax audit. A CA who is conducting the tax audit is required to give his findings, observations, etc. in the form of audit report. The report of tax audit is to be given by a chartered accountant in form number 3CA, 3CB or 3CD. We will discuss the nitty-gritties of the Section 44AB and the various form 3CA, 3CB and 3CD in detail in the coming session. What do you think would be the real objective of tax audit? Now, one of the main objectives would be is to ascertain or derive the reports which are required in the form of 3CA, 3CB and 3CD, which are the major content of tax audit. Apart from reporting these requirements, a proper audit of tax would ensure that the books of accounts and other records are properly maintained, and also they faithfully reflect the income that is declared by the taxpayer. Also, this would ensure that any deduction or any claimed deduction by the taxpayer are correctly made by them. Also help in checking fraudulent practices. It will also facilitate the administration of tax law by proper presentation of accounts before the tax authorities. This will also save considerable time of the tax authorities in verifying the income of an assessee. This will also help the assessing officer to verify whether purchase and sales are appropriately vouched or not. The time the assessing officer saved could be utilized for attending more important and investigational aspect of any case.